2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, center armrest, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.